Hello, Dr. Peter Martoni here, and I have gotten a few videos since I sent out an email saying that I travel with my neck nest, because there's a lot of people out there that travel and they say, Doc, what do I do with my pillow? How do I take my neck nest with me? Well, I am going to do a video explaining how I put it into my luggage. I don't have my luggage here, but I'm going to do a video showing you how I fold it up. Well, my pillow, as I told you, I don't use a lot of fill. So when I lie on my back and I use my pillow, I have a little bit of fill in it, right? So remember, when I tell you to use your pillow, I say make sure that you take out a little bit of fill from the neck roll. And in doing so, my pillow has a lot of play. And because it is a down pillow and it has feather in it, it will always reconstitute. It will always refluff back to its original position. So all I do is I take the pillow like this and I crush it down. So you're holding it like this sideways, and then my pillow fits in the top of my carry-on. And what it also does, I have a carry-on that has a zipper on the top. It actually fits into the zipper of my carry-on this way. If I don't have much stuff on it, it'll fit right in. But when I put it in my carry-on, what I do is I fluff it down, I just fold it down on top of each other. So I take the pillow, take it like this, put it like this, and I put it in, and then I just pack the rest of my carry-on. So hopefully that helps explain how you can travel with your neck nest and never have to depend on the pillows in the hotel rooms. So thank you for listening, and hopefully you're enjoying your neck nest.